Hello, this is Bob Oros, coming to you today with lesson number 23 from Lancaster, Pennsylvania, a beautiful part of the country filled with Amish folks who are just about as hospitable as anybody could be. I was there for a small Amish independent meat distributor who also had a family-style restaurant right next door to their company, and just a fantastic group of folks. People ask me, they say, well, Bob, how do you get all this business? Well, I work for myself. I don't have anybody doing my sales. I do all my own sales, all my own marketing, all my own travel arrangements. So it's a one-man show, and it's a lot of work, but very rewarding. During the first 10 years of my business, I started off with a conversion van that I had bought, a commercial van, and customized it, and drove that van 500,000 miles. I traded it in on another one and drove the next one another 500,000 miles. So 10 years, 1,000,000 miles. And I'd do it again in a heartbeat if I could. The Amish people are great, great cooks. As a matter of fact, some of the top chefs from all over the world come to Lancaster to improve their own cooking skills, if you can believe that. So that is a great, great compliment for the folks there who cook. Now, they don't have internet, they don't have TV, they don't have anything else, so they spend a lot of time cooking and improving their skills, so they are really experts. Three of the things that they are famous for: one is succotash. If you've never had succotash, it's really good. It's really quite simple. It's corn and lima beans, and then you can put some other ingredients in, like peppers and onions, to give it a little more flavor. Another thing is chicken croquettes, which they are absolutely, positively delicious, and they are famous for whoopie pies. So if you ever visit that part of the country, you can plan on some really, really good eating. Today's lesson: are you legitimate or do you exaggerate? Now, an important skill that you have to really be aware of is that you should never exaggerate when you're trying to sell somebody something. If you go in and you say, I'm the biggest, I'm the best, I've got the most, well, immediately people are going to be turned off. They have basically three questions. So what? What's in it for me? And can you prove it? And you have to be able to go in and make your presentation almost as if you were an attorney presenting a case to a jury to win them over to your way of thinking. You have to bring on your witnesses, you have to bring on your facts and then your benefits as to how it will help them. And you have to be really sincere and honest with everything you do, every transaction. So this lesson is really it's really a good one. You really want to sink your teeth into it, read down through it, study it, and implement the techniques into your own selling skills, and it will definitely improve your overall sales. So with that in mind, I'll be back again tomorrow with another lesson from another city. And in the meantime, go out and have yourself some succotash for dinner tonight. Make it a great day. We'll talk to you soon.